Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is energy. So, the topic is very important. It is very important concept of physics. So, what is energy? So, first of all, we can define energy as the capacity for doing work and is measured by the total amount of work it can do. Okay. So, what is energy? Energy of an object is defined as its capacity for doing work and is measured by the total amount of work it can do. In short, energy is the ability to do work, or energy is stored work. Okay? When an object does work, its energy decreases. On the other hand, if work is done on the object, its energy increases. This means that there is always a transfer of energy whenever work is done. Thus, work and energy are related to each other. So, it means the unit of work and energy are the same, as these are essentially the same kind of quantities. Okay, so now the types of energy. There are different types of energy in physics. First one, mechanical energy. First one is mechanical energy. सेकेंड वन इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक एनर्जी, जो आप आगे पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है, दिस वन इज फर्स्ट वन. सेकेंड वन. नाउ द थर्ड वन इज केमिकल एनर्जी. केमिस्ट्री में आप लोग पढ़ते हैं. नेक्स्ट, थर्मल और हीट एनर्जी. And the next and the final one is nuclear energy. It is very important. Okay, so इस चैप्टर में जो हम लोग डिस्कशन करेंगे वो करेंगे हम लोग मैकेनिकल एनर्जी का. ठीक है, सो वी शैल बी टेकिंग अबाउट सम ऑफ दीज फॉर्म्स ऑफ एनर्जी इन ग्रेटर डिटेल्स लेटर on in this course. In the study of mechanics, we are interested only in the mechanical energy, which is of two types. Mechanical energy is of two types. First one, kinetic energy, and the second one is potential energy. So it is of interest to note that on microscopic scale all forms of energy can be classified as either kinetic or potential. Okay, now the first type of energy, kinetic energy. So what is kinetic energy? It is energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion. Okay, it is measured by the amount of work that the body can perform against external force before it comes to rest. It means the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion is called kinetic energy. Clear? Kinetic word has its origin in the Greek word name kinetox, okay, which means to move. Okay, falling example, a falling body, as it can break something on which it falls. It is an example of kinetic energy. a ball rolling on the surface because it can set another ball into motion by striking it. Okay, now we can find the expression of kinetic energy. So for this, first of all, suppose that there is a body of mass m, starting is at rest. Okay, and when we apply some external force on it, F, then after traveling s distance, its final velocity becomes v. ओके, तो जो फोर्स हम अप्लाई कर रहे हैं वो कॉन्टिन्यूअस अप्लाई कर रहे हैं और s डिस्टेंस तक हमने फोर्स अप्लाई किया. सो आफ्टर ट्रैवलिंग s डिस्टेंस, its final velocity becomes v. Okay, so according to laws of motion, according to equation of motion, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So v square is equal to 0 plus 2as. So from here the value of a is equal to v square by 2s, equation 1. So ये एक्सीलरेशन आपने जनरेट किया ड्यू टू दिस फोर्स. So what is the value of force? Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Okay, the value of force is mass into acceleration. Mass m, acceleration v square by 2s. If we find the magnitude, then the magnitude is mv square by 2s. So what work we done? Work done is equal to force dot displacement. So in this, the angle between force and displacement is 0. So F into S into cos 0. Value of F is mv square by 2s into s into 1. S and s cancelled out, so we get work is equal to mv square by 2. Okay, and this work is stored in the form of kinetic energy. So the expression of kinetic energy is m half mv square. Okay, so we can also say that the kinetic energy is the quantitatively defined as the product of 1/2 the mass and the square of the speed or of the particle. Clear? और इसे आप डिफाइन करना चाहें मोमेंटम के फॉर्म में तो कैसे कर सकते हैं इस एक्सप्रेशन को, तो ज़रा वो भी देखिए. सो इफ लेट अस कंसीडर द dw is the amount of work done by the force F in displacing a body of mass m through a distance ds in its own direction. Okay, so if we displace the body for a very small distance ds, then the work done dw is equal to f dot ds, and the direction of force and displacement is same, so f ds cos 0. So finally we get dw is equal to f ds, equation 1. Okay, so again the formula of force is mass into acceleration, and the value of acceleration जो हम लोगों ने फाइंड करी थी mv square by 2s. तो acceleration value is, यहाँ पे आप जो है डिफरेंशियल फॉर्म में लिखेंगे तो चेंज इन वेलोसिटी अपॉन टाइम इंटरवल, इट मीन्स dv by dt into ds. ओके, अगेन dv by dt से आपने dt को रिमूव करके ds के साथ दिया, सो ds by dt आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. सो m, चेंज इन डिस्प्लेसमेंट अपॉन टाइम इंटरवल इज कॉल्ड वेलोसिटी, सो dw is equal to mv dv. Okay, so if the total work is w in giving a velocity v to the body which is initially at rest, it means initial velocity is 0 and final velocity is v, then the total work w is equal to the integration of dw where lower limit is 0 and upper limit is v. Now replacing the value of dw, we get mv dv. M is a constant, so take outside 0 to v to the power 1 dv. So now when we integrate v with respect to dv, then we get v square divided by 2, lower limit, upper limit. So finally we get m v square by 2 minus 0 square by 2. First replace v by the upper limit, then replace by 0 and subtract both of them. So finally we get mv square by 2, and this work done is stored in the form of kinetic energy. So we get the expression half mv square. We also know that the momentum of the body is equal to m into v. Okay, so from this, the relation between kinetic energy and momentum is p square by 2m. It is a very important relation, ये आप ध्यान रखना है, ठीक है. ओके, आई होप कि ये आपको काइनेटिक एनर्जी एक्सप्रेशन समझ में आया होगा, और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एक्सप्रेशन है डेरिवेशन के लिए, इसको ध्यान से देखिएगा. इसके बाद जो हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है इसी में ही है, जिसे हम लोग वर्क एनर्जी थ्योरम बोलते हैं. सो व्हाट इज़ वर्क एनर्जी थ्योरम? According to work energy theorem, the work done by the external force acting on a body is equal to the change its kinetic energy. So now work energy theorem, it is very important for the numerical portion for the mechanics. What is work energy theorem? I repeat again, the net work done by the external force acting on a body is equal to change its kinetic energy. It means final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. So जैसे आपने ये एक्सप्रेशन फाइंड किया था, तो सपोज दैट इनिशियल वेलोसिटी इज v1 एंड फाइनल वेलोसिटी इज v2, और vi एंड vf भी सपोज कर सकते हैं. तो इसी इक्वेशन में लिमिट आप चेंज कर देंगे, तो नेट वर्क डन इज इक्वल टू इनिशियल वेलोसिटी टू फाइनल वेलोसिटी इज आर लिमिट, एंड द एक्सप्रेशन वैल्यू इज एम वी डी वी. सो इफ वी टेक v outside, then v initial and v final, v to the power 1 dv. Now integrate v with respect to v. So we get v square by 2 initial and final. So from this take 2 outside, m by 2. So vf square minus vi square. So when we take m by 2 inside, so we can write this expression like this. So this one is called final kinetic energy and this one is called initial kinetic energy. So this is the work energy theorem. आई होप कि ये दोनों एक्सप्रेशन के डेरिवेशन आपको क्लियर हुए होंगे. वर्क एनर्जी थ्योरम मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है आपके मैकेनिक्स पार्ट के लिए, इसलिए इसे ध्यान से देखें. और अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो, आपको अच्छा लगा हो, तो आप लाइक करिए और सब्सक्राइब करिए. ओके देन, गुड बाय.